welcome the final of the 2019 Copa America, Brazil against Peru, and the preliminaries underway. So that's going to set a pretty high standard for what's to come, I think, as Brazil seek their first medals here so far. Marquinhos, helped off against Argentina in the semi-final, is fit to start, always an unsung hero. Alexandro, who came in for Luis Felipe, keeps his place at left-back. Gabriel Jesus, Philippe Coutinho and Roberto Firmino, all near their very best throughout. Everton, the only home-based player, keeps his place, having dislodged David Neres of Ajax. And Guerrero still going strong at 35. And among their substitutes, Raul Ruidíaz, who got the winner against Brazil in the 2016 Copa America meeting. Another reason why Peru believe here in the Maracanã. The glamour assignment as referee goes to Roberto Tobar. VAR team led by Julio Bascuñán, and let's hope for the sake of the tournament, the organisers and the game of VAR team led by Julio Bascuñán, and let's hope for the sake of the tournament, the organisers and the game of football at large that all the officials have a good night. It's been a wonderful tournament, but that has not been the strong point. So Peru facing, yes, the might. Peru it is who get the ball robbed. He is going to try one, and Alisson read it all the way, but then given away, and the chance presented there on the edge of the area for Yotun to have a little pop. Twinkling feet as well. It's a great cross. What a start for Brazil. Everton puts Brazil in front. Gabriel Jesus, the architect, with some simply wonderful football yet again. If they had a roof on the Maracanã, it would be raised right now. It's really Brazil's first meaningful attack. Gabriel Jesus. Bobby Firmino with room here, looking for Coutinho. Not far away. And Brazil getting into their stride in impressive fashion now. Man and make things happen. Coutinho saw his move, and there's Gabriel Jesus putting it about again, a bit too much in the opinion of Roberto Tobar. Moving it well, Alexandro creeping forward. Firmino! Was wonderful build-up. And a presentable opportunity for Bobby Firmino here. And again Christian Cueva, and it was threaded in. It's a penalty to Peru. They have the chance to get back on level terms. And only a token protest here from Brazil, which may tell the story. Lovely, intricate piece of play between Christian Cueva and Edison Flores. Brazil seem to accept it. And now it begins to look as though he's going to trek all the way over here and have another look at it. These moments of apparent indecision. The decision, however, remains. And was it ever in any doubt? Against Alisson. So cool, 1-1. You cannot put them away easily, this Peru team, and they are back in it. They couldn't create much in open play, but little debate about the merit of the penalty and no debate whatsoever about the quality of the kick. Alisson beaten for the first time at the 2019 Copa America. Exceptional. And here goes Artur. Gabriel Jesus for Brazil. The magic just keeps coming. Gabriel Jesus restores Brazil's lead. Firmino and Gabriel Jesus again in tandem, working so hard for each other and paying each other back in goals. The first step to greatness with the goal against Argentina, and now one from Gabriel Jesus to boost him further in the Copa America final. Ball here, he sends Gabriel Jesus off for a second yellow card. He appeared in little doubt once more, Tobar, the referee. And no sooner was it said by your commentator, go, but they're stretched again. Marquinhos went for it, Trauco, and Alisson was waiting lively for Cueva, but he's done well with it again. Flores hits it, oh! And he is a beautiful striker of the ball, Edison Flores, as he's just demonstrated, and as he... Everton found some room. Took on all comers, got knocked out of the way, and penalty for Brazil, won by Everton, and it might win them the trophy here. And again Roberto Tobar seemed in little... I suppose it question, and the decision is... He stands... And Richarlison clinches it surely for Brazil. It's 3-1. And now all that pent-up emotion that has built and built as the pressure built in this second half, it just goes off like firecrackers into the night here in Rio. They know they're there now, and they know the wait is over. Twinkling feet as well. It's a great cross. What a start for Brazil. Everton puts Brazil in front. Gabriel Jesus, the architect, with some simply wonderful football yet again. Against Alisson. So cool. 1-1. You cannot put them away easily, this Peru team. Exceptional. And here goes Artur. Gabriel Jesus for Brazil. The magic just keeps coming. Gabriel Jesus restores Brazil's lead. Firmino and Gabriel Jesus again in tandem, working. And Richarlison clinches it surely for Brazil. It's 3-1.